Hi all, this is my second unboxing, and this time I'm unboxing Uzin. In the pouch we found the gun. It's a spring weapon. Reloading, it's very simple. Slide back. When some instructions. 28 rounds magazine, pretty heavy, and some BBs. In this gun has a safety mode and fire mode. Gun is very simple. Put the magazine in. If you wanna put out, push the switch, and that's all. Wait for my next reviews, and bye. If you have questions, write in comments. I will answer to you. Bye.